Look, pirates on the sailing seas! Look! Ship! Oh!
How would you like to go see a secret waterfall? Well, let's go explore that today. Hey everybody, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Carolyn.
And we're Diary of a Family.
We're living life intentionally with you.
Today we are talking about one of our favorite locations in the Tucson area.
That would be Madera Canyon. Madera Canyon is a national recreation area. It does not have a junior ranger badge, but it has fantastic views, lots of hiking trails, and was one of our faves.
We were able to go up there twice and do some hiking and exploring, and we wanted to share that with you today. So come join us as we hike Madera Canyon.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell me, what do you think? I'm up for a Sunday morning hike. What about you?
And to go to a hidden waterfall. It's
Yeah.
hidden, not a...
I think it'll be fun. It's an area that is close by and we have searched it out a little bit.
I haven't been to a waterfall in a while now, I think. So, we'll see if there's any water on it. Welcome to Coronado National Forest.
We are at Madera Canyon National Recreation area and we're gonna go find a hidden waterfall.
Ah, me likes.
Hey,
Grandma's dumping dirt out of her shoes.
We have a few other areas here to go up into the canyon. They're all like picnic areas, so maybe one time we'll take our lunch and go check out some of these other areas. Eddie's gonna make sure that we're not gonna get lost because we have a map and a compass.
Are you all ready? You
Yeah.
got it all, huh?
This is a waterfall, but it's not going.
Is that it? The creek is
I think
dry?
it's actually right over here.
Daddy, did you take us astray? Is it deep? Oh, wow.
I was
Yeah.
just looking down like that.
Yeah. I wonder if this is ever filled with water.
So the water comes down, you can actually go, yeah, I can see what they're talking about. It's actually a pretty cool view. Maybe in the springtime we'll come back. You can go underneath the waterfall.
Oh, yeah?
So the waterfall comes down and then
The water falls off of this and
Yes.
down,
it comes down.
and then you can go behind the
and then there's a
waterfall there?
pond, there's a pool there and then you can go
And
behind
Mom,
the
and you can
waterfall.
also take
That's
a
cool.
shower in the waterfall.
Yeah.
Look at these big boulders, like, they're so deep. Eddie, do the slide.
Eddie, we're at a playground. Eddie, come here.
Do the slide.
This
Do the slide.
is like a playground. Whoa.
We found the canyon. We found the hidden waterfall. We will try and come back in the springtime after the rainy season and check this out again. We're excited because this is really a cool area. The boulders are awesome. The rocks are really cool. It wasn't that hard to get to off the main trail. We're gonna go do a little more hiking on the paved trail and see what else is up here, and then we'll head back.
This is a Mexican blue oak.
Are you tired? I'm dead.
You're not dead. This wall is all that remains. This wall is all that remains of the whitewashed adobe structure, which was a local landmark for many years to all who entered the canyon. Please help us protect this piece of the past. On the large boulder close by is a bedrock mortar used by prehistoric people to process wild plant foods. The mortar was formed by the pounding of a rock pestle used to crush nuts, seeds, or berries. Emma, go show him the mortar.
Good job, bud.
And look, she's not scared of us at all.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I haven't really been this close to a deer in the wild.
If we walk nice and slow quietly, maybe we'll be able to walk past her. Nice and slow on the path. Yep, you're okay, just like that. She's not bothered at all by our noise coming up the hill.
You were louder than a herd of elephants.
She's got little legs and tiny feet.
Look, she's quiet.
She is quiet. That's sometimes how they survive,
Oh.
because nobody knows that they're there.
That was quite the experience. Our kids were barreling down the trail like a herd of elephants, and I saw this deer and I was like, hey, quiet, shh, there's a deer. We went and sat down. The deer basically just kept her back to us so she could get away quick if needed, but she wasn't spooked by us at all.
It's a hat, improvised hat.
Carolyn's ears are hurting.
Yeah, I get earaches. I always need to remember to bring a hat.
All right, Kent and Lisa, she is requesting a toque. She wants a toque so that she doesn't show her ears.
To wear every day of the year. Take number 2. We were here in February or March, and it is now mid-April. We're gonna check it out. Madera Canyon is so much greener than it was.
We were in Madera Canyon.
Oh, hi, good morning. Let's go on a hike. Yes, let's do it. Woo!
Yeah, let's find the hidden waterfall. Everybody march on the train.
Keep walking, keep walking. I don't know, I don't hear water, so I don't think the waterfall is going.
Maybe Richard could go running that way and turn it on.
Mom, there's no water in it at all.
At all, it dried up more.
You can... Look at me, Mom, I'm a rock climber. Look at how tall I am.
Good job.
One pirate on the sailing seas, rock ship. Oh!
Well, we are getting in the car. We are gonna go further up the canyon this time. A whole lot further than we went last time, which was basically this area. So
I'm so sad, no water in the waterfall.
we're told that if you're here in July, during the wet time,
Whenever
yeah,
it rains here, that's the time to come and look at the waterfall.
but it's probably also 100 degrees up here, so. We like the cool weather, it makes it nice. Well, we made it further up the canyon. It was about a 2.7 mile drive. Not that really bad. Look at that peak. What the, that is awesome. 5,600 feet elevation. We're trying to go to Old Baldy Trailhead, I think it's what it's called.
I like these white trees because they look like paper trees that Bob Goff said in the Love Does for Kids book. I thought that was interesting.
Whoa, it's so cool.
We are getting on Old Baldy Trail. This trail has a few different stops to other trails, and you can get up to the top of Mount Brighton, which is almost 10,000 feet. We will not be going that far.
Think about the blooms. The bloom will finally just squeaking like squeak. Yeah, that's what my mom's here. We saw a bloom bowl.
Bluebird. Look at that view, guys. This view right here makes what we've hiked so far totally worth it. This is not even the beginning of where these trails in Madera Canyon head to. I have a family of tree sniffers.
People.
They're sweet smelling.
I can't smell anything.
In a tree sort of way. You realize we haven't seen any cacti up here?
Watch your feet. There you go.
Not all Indians are evil.
Look, Daddy, this looks more like my home.
But
Wow,
there have
that's a
been
tiny
evil
home.
Indians, but that was...
And up there is my uniform. I
Okay,
used
we're
to
gonna
be
keep going, bud.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Cheese! Woohoo! Okay, it's all. Eddie, smell the tree. Come here, smell it. Ew, what? Here it is. I went into the gift shop to see if they have the stamps for our national park pass. This is a national park, not a national park. This is a forest area or something like that. Recreation area. That's what it's called.
That's what I was going to say.
Emma, did you have fun camp hiking?
Yeah, I really liked it. I enjoyed, like, there was this, like, little kitty cat that we saw. Miss Bridget was like, shh, look. And then I just saw, like, the little gray cat just running up around her.
Timothy, did you enjoy our hike?
Yeah, but I didn't see the cat.
Edison, did you have fun? I thought you had lots of fun. Climbing the
Yeah.
rocks, doing the hike, making food on the barbecue.
I did have so much fun climbing up on rocks and then going like.
Yep, that's just about what you were doing. Did they have a stamp?
Nope.
Sad.
Yeah.
This is a recreation area,
It's a national recreation area, and I think some of them have it.
and some don't.
Like the Lake Meredith National Recreation Area, they had stamps, and they had a junior ranger program, and they had a whole bunch of stuff. I'm wondering if that was something, because I don't think this lodge is not run by the national parks. So if the other lodge was open, the one further down,
What
They might have had it,
Right, but it's closed right now.
but because it's closed, there's a hummingbird watching area right there,
Wow.
and it's dead quiet. There's nobody talking, which means
Yeah, that's what we found.
they would have everybody being like, shh, and going nuts.
Hummingbirds are important to people.
Yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed our hike of Madera Canyon. What was your favorite part about this hike?
I loved the different vegetation because as you go up higher, you lose the cacti and you get all these wonderful evergreen trees. The animals were amazing. The kids absolutely adored being able to stop on the trail just 15 feet, 20 feet from that deer and watch her graze.
Yeah.
I was a little sad that we didn't get to see the waterfall, but it was pretty cool to be able to walk in the dry creek bed.
Yeah. It was amazing to me the amount of life that was in such a dry climate. It hardly rained on us while we were here in Tucson. However, the trees were blooming, there was flowers blooming, there were birds, there was turkeys, deer, all kinds of animal and life were up in that mountain, and it was spectacular. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, live life intentionally.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.